everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you my big heart pendants. These are all made with polymer clay, acrylic paints, gilder's paste and varnish. This purple heart has a nice Jugendstil texture. I thought hanging it sideways gives it an unusual look. It hangs on a gold bronze chain. This red heart has a baroque texture and hangs also on a gold bronze chain. It has a small Swarovski bead dangling from the tip of the heart. This next heart also hangs sideways and has watch parts inserted for a steampunk look. It also hangs on a gold bronze chain. The last two hearts are also from my steampunk collection and have watch parts inserted. They also have a cube penny farthing dangling from the tip of the hearts. The copper heart hangs on a copper chain and the gold bronze heart hangs on a gold bronze chain. The price of these hearts range from £25 to £27, but they are currently, as I am filming this, on sale for £20. You can find the link to these pendants in the description. I hope you liked this short video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you for watching. Until next time.